Hello, welcome back to Pete's World of Lego. My trusty pencil. Not that I need it because I am laying carpets. Well, carpet tiles. Let me show you where I'm at the moment. Here we go. They're all over the shop at the moment. So I've laid the middle ones, which is what you're meant to do. Yeah, it's going to be fun. I've noticed the four walls of this room are absolutely not square. So it's going to take some fun and some cutting to get around it all, but I should manage it. So next time you see it, hopefully it'll all be done. Stay tuned. Right, I've been at it for 3 hours. And this is the result at the moment. The edge, they're not stuck down yet. But like I say, I can only do so much in one go, but I think that's looking pretty good. Yeah, pleased with that. Ooh, exciting times. Guess what's happened? I have deliveries. This is a Dowinks gaming chair, so that'll be my chair for building Lego. And this is my IKEA table, building table, with adjustable legs. So they've arrived. Chuffed with that. So I'll show you when I'm building them. And through here I'm still working on the carpet. It's all done round that way, round that way. Just got to do this front edge now. So yeah, all coming on. I have boxes. That is a table. That is a gaming chair, which I'm going to build. I'm also waiting for an Amazon delivery to put the edging on the carpet down there. So that's turning up today. So when that comes, I'll do that as well. So should we open some boxes? Let's start with the table. Cheers. The table's from IKEA. I've seen some other channels, Brixie and channels like that. They've used these tables. So that will go in that corner. And so let's get on with it. Actually, that's not very heavy. I went for a grey. So I've got a grey in the room. Hold that back up a bit. Yeah. This is called Linmon. A hybrid of lemon and mum. Yeah. Nice edges to it. Yeah, so I'm going to put that up and then you'll see it built. see on the legs, there's a scale. So you know which height each leg will be. So I'm going to turn it over and attempt to get it level. Okay, so the table's in. That's what it looks like. I've got power behind it. It's not level at the moment. That might be room. That might be me doing the legs wrong, which are a bit fiddly, but got there in the end. I noticed my table's got a bit of damage on it, but that's all right. That's going to be hidden in that corner. Can't be bothered to send it back to IKEA. Yeah, pleased with that. As you can tell from the windowsill, it needs to come up at the front a bit, I think. Yeah, so that will be my building table. Yeah. Has anyone noticed the surprise Lego in the room yet? There's Lego in here already. Have you seen it? I wonder. Where is it? So I've got my spirit level out. The bubble's kind of in the lines that way. It's not too bad. In the lines that way. But I'm happy with that. Yeah, so let's come back a bit. There we go. That's going to be my build table. I'm not going to do a chair today. I'm going to save that, maybe do that tomorrow, because time's getting on. But I have the edging for the bottom of the door, so I'm going to do that now. Yep, it's going to look good. Simple edging put in. It's rubber and it's stuck down, so I don't have to bang any heavy duty nails in. One side to the other. I've got some spare if that starts to peel off. It makes a nice edge to the carpet. There you go. And the door shuts nicely over it. There you go. Perfect. What a clever boy I am. Can't wait to build some Lego now. Can I, Mr. Boba Fett? So, I got these last Christmas. Smart lights. LED lights. Controllable. This is what they look like when they're powered up. You can change the... Ooh, that's a bit cool. Very Sith. Oh, they're on a pattern. Let me hold them up. Yeah. Cool, they'll get hot. So yeah, so I'm gonna maybe put them round the room somehow. What do you think? Should be good, shouldn't they? Do get hot though. It's a bit unusual. Anyway. Next thing to build, chair. I'm not sure how easy it's going to be, but should we see what's in the box? Yes. Here we go then. Yeah. Oh, do the middle one, fine. Read the name. And we're in. That's the feet. Head pad. Footrest. Back pad, yes. that. There. There's the chair. Oh, it's nice and soft. Packaging. Put that back in. You don't need that. And massive box of stuff. Yeah, so that's all the bits and bobs on it. Hopefully in there is the instructions. Otherwise, I'm stuffed. Right, quick sit rep. All the bits are there. Out of the box. Pads, feet, arms, seat, and the back. I'm just about to see what's in here. Hopefully, some instructions. Not going to be complex at all, is it? Sorry about my terrible filming there. Yeah, so here we go. Right, there's the seat piston. Nuts and bolts. Bracket for the back of the chair. And instructions. Thank God for that. Telescopic bit. Right, so I'll do the chair tomorrow. This is the state of play. Need to figure out where I want to put the lights. I've got my boxes of bits, my chair, got my tools. I've measured here so I can get my shelving and one of my glass cabinets there, another glass cabinet over there, and here, not sure, maybe a display area. What do you think? I'm about to build this. Yeah, so I've got all the nuts and bolts out on the table. Got me power driver, godsend. Now, got to look through all the instructions. Anyway, let's do it. Let's build a chair. bits. For your head. And the lumbar pillow seems to have a USB in it. Virtual one. What does that do? Vibrate? Got something in there. I have to plug that in and see what happens. And that, my friends, goes there. And that is the chair complete. Let me sit in it. Very nice. Not sure how the footrest works. You put your legs on it like that, I guess. Yeah, good. A strange contraption. Won't be using that anyway. I have a chair. And I have a Lego building area. Pleased with that? Yeah. Chair's good. Let me show you a bit more detail. Yeah, it's a Downnex gaming chair. It's got recline. You can lift it up and down. Headrest. Back support. Yeah, really good. Really comfy. And here I am at my Lego building table. I might have to lower it because it's quite high. Yeah. Yeah, have to lower that down a bit. Won't take long, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. Okay, so next time you see me, hopefully I will have installed some LED lights. Not sure whether it's top or the bottom. Not my bottom, around the bottom. We'll see. What else? Yeah, moving in some shelving for the back wall over there, here. And getting some Lego in. What do we think, Boba Fett? He approves. I got him in Norway. Or was it Denmark? Maybe Denmark. It's a light. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Promise there'll be more Lego in the next one. And please like, please subscribe. Follow along for the next instalment of my Lego room journey. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.